Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to connect your LinkedIn account with Eres.io in order for you to publish ads to your organization's LinkedIn page. Click Integration in the left sidebar. Now click Add Integration button. Click on Add LinkedIn. Log into your LinkedIn account. Review our requested permissions, then click the blue Allow button. You will be redirected back to the integration page. Click the View and Edit button. Click Sync to add any missing organizations. The same with ad accounts. You may add and remove assets with just a few clicks. You should sync your conversions. Any that are associated with your ad accounts will sync. Additionally, sync your insight tag. That's it. You've integrated LinkedIn with Eres.io. Thank you.